Honda CB1000 Hornet SB. Performance without the hassle. Performance motorcycles often demand high maintenance and aren't always practical for daily riding. The Honda CB1000 Hornet SB stands out as an exception. A high-performance bike designed for real-world usability, not just track days. At a price of $10,999, it offers exceptional value in a market where performance often comes at a steep cost. The UJM Reimagined, Honda's original CB750, was revolutionary for its reliability and affordability. The CB1000 Hornet SB echoes that spirit, delivering modern performance with the same practical focus. This bike isn't about winning spec sheet wars. It's about offering a thrilling ride without constant garage time. Engine and power. A superbike heart, the CB1000 Hornet SB uses a reworked engine from the 2017 Fireblade, a genuine superbike capable of 189 horsepower. While the US version is tuned down to 129 horsepower due to noise regulations, the engine retains ample torque across the rev range. This means real-world performance isn't sacrificed, making it ideal for street riding where speed limits and traffic matter more than peak horsepower. Honda's track record with this engine suggests reliability, potentially outlasting even the rider. Suspension and chassis. Balancing cost and performance, the SB designation indicates an upgraded Erlens TTX 36 rear shock, providing better compliance and adjustability. The Hornet SB uses a budget-friendly steel chassis, which is a limitation on the track, but perfectly suitable for spirited canyon riding within reasonable limits. The shock helps keep the bike stable, even when pushed, but experienced riders will quickly find its boundaries. Modern features, real-world appeal. Despite the cost-conscious chassis, the CB1000 Hornet SB isn't stripped down. It includes traction control, ABS, a TFT dash, and a quickshifter, all essential modern features. This combination makes it an incredibly competitive package under $11,000, offering a genuine superbike engine and modern amenities at a fraction of the cost. A word of caution, the CB1000 Hornet SB isn't a beginner bike. Its power can overwhelm inexperienced riders, and even with modern safety aids, 129 horsepower mid-corner can be dangerous. While Honda may steer novice buyers towards the more accessible CB300R, the Hornet SB's value is undeniable for seasoned riders. Ultimately, the Honda CB1000 Hornet SB represents a return to accessible performance, proving that a thrilling ride doesn't have to bankrupt or constantly demand attention. It's a practical, reliable, and engaging motorcycle that bridges the gap between raw power and everyday usability.